I first noticed my hair loss at about 29, 30 because I'm an actor. You gotta be, looking good and looking young. That's the key here. I lost a couple key roles because of the thinning in my hair. I was pretty impressed by the testimonials that were on there and the before and after pictures. He made me feel great and I feel comfortable, and there's plenty of candy here and food, and so I'm good.
I first noticed my hair loss early 20s, and everybody here felt very comfortable. Get the results I was looking for in one procedure. The investment definitely was worth it. It was something that definitely changes your life and your confidence. So yes, I highly recommend Dr. Bolton. What he's done for me, as I guess you can say, has changed my life. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
Thought that it would probably take off 3 years of my life, and people are telling me anywhere from 10 to 20. It's way beyond my expectations. My friends are being talked to and I'm not, and the reason is they don't recognize me. That's a pleasant side effect of having a hair transplant, especially with Dr. Bolton. After meeting everybody here and the staff, I decided to come here, and it was well worth it. You get what you pay for. I think the thing is, you want to find somebody who specializes and does only this, and that was part of my decision, and thank goodness I did.
When I went to Army, they told me that my hair is thinning. It changes the the relationship with people. I just wanted to look younger, for me and for my family. Read reviews and I heard only good things about him, so it was a pleasant experience. Everybody tells me that I look younger. It looks natural. Absolutely, he's a very good doctor. As you can see, he can deliver what he's promising.
This is day 3 of my hair transplant recovery process. I can tell you that I'm very comfortable now. Washing, shampooing, and shower, combing my hair very comfortably. I have a lot of hairs growing. I'm getting some decent growth already at this stage at 2 months. I feel like it's fuller, thicker, better shape in my face. Very happy and enjoying it every day. This was just a great experience, a great result from day 1. I feel like I'm probably the only one that can complain to the doctor that I got too much hair. I feel like it's already complete, 100% ecstatic with my results. Thank you again, Dr. Bolton, for doing such incredible work for me and for everybody else. It's much appreciated.